Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the paper and targeting the first page. This is where publishers place identifying info. Look at headers and footers immediately because the journal name often appears there. Once you spot volume, issue, year, or a DOI, note them. They confirm the venue. If the running head is abbreviated, keep scanning the top and bottom margins. This quick inspection saves time and points you toward the explicit journal name or abbreviation. Once you have a DOI or metadata, paste it into Crossref or the publisher search. This reveals the full journal title and publication details. You can also open PDF properties. Many files include title, author, and producer fields that list the journal. Make sure to compare the return journal title to any abbreviation you found earlier. That resolves ambiguity. If Crossref returns multiple records, match volume, issue, and page range. To finish, verify the journal name across at least one major database, PubMed, Scopus, or the publisher site, so you're certain of accuracy. Match DOI, year, authors, and page numbers. Consistency across fields confirms the journal. If you find a mismatch, consider that you may have a preprint or conference version. In that case, recheck the DOI and publisher imprint and repeat the search. Troubleshooting tip. When stuck, search the exact article title in quotes, plus the lead author to unearth alternative records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.